There.
There's no way.
Let's not do that anymore.
Think you can pick this?
Looks easy enough.
What is it about that song that brings in the bird?
It always has. When I was younger, I used to be excited when I heard it.
Excited?
He was all I had. He fed me, brought me books. He was my friend.
Friend?
Until I grew up. Then I hated him. Because he was my warden. But he's just Comstock's pet, isn't he? Just like me. Done. Fitzroy's no better than Comstock. Was she?
Once people get their blood out. It ain't easy to settle it down again.
Press to lunge.
This is on our hands, isn't it?
Out there! Stop fighting!
This prophecy business. You don't think anyone can really see the future, do you?
I saw something once when I first got here. A dream. It was New York, but larger than any New York I ever saw. It was burning.
None of the prophet's magic is rubbing off on you.
Yeah! No one escapes!
We shall not be. Bound by blood.
There, that one.
There you go.
Can you unlock this?
No problem. Ready. who those two are. They, well, at least she, invented the technology that allows the city to float.
Giant balloons.
Quantum particles, suspended in space-time at a fixed height.
So, not giant balloons?
But the thing is, my book said they disappeared several years ago.
I told you they'd come.
No, you didn't.
Right. I was going to tell you they'd come.
But you didn't.
But I don't.
You sure that's right?
Something tells me they're not exactly what they appear.
I was going to have told you they'd come.
No,
The subjunctive.
that's not the subjunctive.
I don't think the syntax has been invented yet.
It would have had to have been.
Had to have had been. That can't be right.
They seem to want to help.
They seem to be out of their minds.
Odd, isn't it?
What's odd?
The fact that we sometimes...
Finish each other's sentences?
Exactly.
It would be odder if we didn't.
How do you suppose they manage that?
I'll get back to you after I figure out the floating city bit. Come on. Comstock House is up ahead.
The seed of the prophet shall sit on the throne. He was grooming me, wasn't he?
Comstock? Yeah, I think so.
Why lock me up?
Well, I'm guessing you didn't want to be groomed. Maybe.
Thought they'd stay on top forever. Ha! Look at them now!
Here's some cash.
District's out. Execute anybody who looks like they give us trouble. Anyone with a gun, anyone wearing black.
Mr. Comstock, when we next meet, it won't be to parley. See, I went out to that Hall of Heroes to scalp your false shepherd for you. Turns out, though, DeWitt speaks Sioux. He helped me to swap words with this crippled child I've been, looking after. Now, after hearing how the kid has fared in your city, I'm thinking when we take your pelt, I'll let him hold the knife.
Can you get this open?
Let me see. All done.
Dance with the man! Come on, lift the legs.
Righteous fury!
I'm not ready.
Vox Populi! Here you go, you sons of bitches!
A Elizabeth?
All right.
United by rage, bound by
Got ammo.
I'll put you down. Execute him! You're gonna die.
Here, ammo. See what else I can find.
Can you open this?
Let me have a look. It's done.
Aim for his head! Like hell! Dibs on his bill. I'll watch you die!
Those turnstiles are working. Should we check out the bookstore before?
Did you take a look at this lock?
Looks easy enough. All yours.
Brother, what Comstock failed to understand is that our contraption is a window not into prophecy, but probability. But his money means the Lutece field could become the Lutece tear, a window between worlds, a window through which you and I might finally be together.
Ugh!